In this video, I'm going over my top 5 hookah flavors of 2020 and also giving you some awesome tips. What's going on YouTube? It's Trey, aka the Common Advisor. Thanks everybody for tuning back into my channel. I know I got a lot of people that subscribe to my channel because of my hookah video that I made for beginners, or people that's trying to learn how to do hookah, trying to learn how to set up a hookah. And if you want to do that, if you're new to that and you're just trying to find a video, check out the link. I'm going to put it in this video. I might also put it in the description, but it's a very nice video. It's highly ranked. A lot of people like it, and I think it'll help you out too. Before I begin, I just want to say, please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps the channel out a lot. It helps it grow. It gives me inspiration to put out these videos so I can help you. It's going to be a real laid back video. We're going to get straight into these flavors. I'm going to tell you about them, where you can get them from, and I also have a few tips towards the end. So make sure you watch the whole video all the way through so you don't miss anything. All right, so I guess we should start off with what I'm smoking right now. And this is one of my favorite flavors. It's called Irish Kiss by Starbuzz. Hope you can see that. Let me see if I can get it in the camera. Actually, this is about done. It's very hard to find, I'm not gonna lie. They do have some hookah shops around in my area, but if you don't find it there, you can also go to the Starbuzz website, or you can go to my favorite website, hookahshisha.com. They have great products, a lot of products. You also can get points built on. And once you start ordering stuff like I do, you'll begin to get free stuff. I know a couple of times I got a free hookah, so it's a very nice company. Let me talk about this one. So the Starbuzz Irish Kiss, it's kind of like a, let me see. I'll give you a right flavor profile. It's kind of like a minty, creamy melon, if that makes sense. It's very smooth. It's great for beginner smokers. It's not harsh. It doesn't have a really big head buzz or nicotine high. If you smoke hookah, you know what I'm talking about. That kind of you know, that feeling that you get when you start smoking hookah, that kind of relaxing, euphoric feeling, is not that hard of a hit. It's a great social smoke. I love it. You see the clouds that it's producing. This has been going for a little minute. I think it's just an overall great flavor. And today I'm drinking out of my Trusted Advisor cup. Yeah, you see that? Trusted Advisor, you know, Common Advisor, Trusted Advisor. Yeah, you get it. All right. I got this as a gift. I want to say you can get these online, and if you can, because I think this one's personalized just for me. But if you can't get it online, I'm gonna look at it. I'll put some in the description below. If you can't get it, I'll find it and I'll make sure you can get one too. Okay. All right. So let's go into the next flavor. My next favorite flavor is mint. Now, mint, I would not advise you to smoke mint alone, even though some people do, especially if you're a beginner. My channel is more towards beginner smokers. People that's kind of just starting off, want something that's not going to hit too hard. The reason I say it is because mint has a really cool effect, especially if you get the Fakher brand that I use. It's a lot of other brands that have stuff like Starbuzz and Nakla. They have a lot of different mints, but Fakher is the one that I use the most. But I wouldn't say smoke it alone. Mint is more of a mixer. So I'll mix lemon and mint, or like my next flavor I'm going to talk about, blueberry and mint. They're great. It's a great flavor to mix. It helps bring out flavors, if you know what I'm saying. Like if you have a cream flavor or a fruit flavor, it helps really bring it and elevate it and bring it to a whole nother level. So speaking of blueberry mint by Fakher is another one that I absolutely love. Blueberry mint, you can have that on your own. Like you can just put it in your bowl, pack it, and you'll be good to go. It has a nice cool sensation. Also has that blueberry sweet taste. Now, if you don't like the blueberry mint by Fakher, I do have another brand that's called Blue Mist. And I want to say it's made by Starbuzz. Yes, it's made by Starbuzz. It's a very popular flavor. Maybe for a couple years ago, it was like the #1 flavor for some years running. Like everywhere you looked for the #1 flavor in hookah, you saw Blue Mist. Blue Mist was awesome, but blueberry mint is just an all-around good flavor. I've never had any complaints about blueberry mint. I smoke blueberry mint when I'm just chilling with my friends or something like that. It's like I said, it's just a good, smooth, sweet flavor. All right, so let's say you don't want to just have one flavor. You want to spice it up some. You want to have a mix of flavors. So my favorite mix to do is a pomegranate, mango, and mint. There's that mint again, right? So yeah, mint, like I said, it goes with anything, just about anything other than banana. I like, something like that, banana or floral. I really don't smoke those flavors, but all the other flavors, mint probably is going to be great with it. But a pomegranate, mango, and mint, that mix is amazing. They usually have these on Hookah shops menus, and you can usually get that. They have different names, but just look at the ingredients, look at the flavor profile of that name. You are probably, I'm about 95% sure that you're gonna see a mix that says pomegranate, mango, and mint. It's just a great mix for everybody. It's a good social party mix. Especially if you get Fakher, that's my favorite brand. If you don't know, but already, it just gives you a lot of clouds, a lot of good flavor, and it's just a good profile. It's very sweet. For my guys, it's good for the ladies, and then also for the ladies, if you smoking with some guys, it's not so sweet and like, I don't want to say girly, but it's not so sweet and subtle where they're not really feeling anything. It's just an overall generic, universal, great flavor, great mix. So I gotta get my smoke in while I'm making a video about hookah, it wouldn't be right? So my next flavor I wanna talk about is Blue Surfer. A Blue Surfer is made by Starbuzz, and it's modeled after, you remember the little candies that they look like dolphins? I wanna say they were blue and had a white backing on it. It tastes exactly like that. I had that at a party once. We threw out at my in-laws house, and man, it was amazing. It was a hit. We literally smoked that whole can. It was just so good. I wanted to go back and get some more, but it was sold out. So if you want to find that Blue Surfer, you'll have to get online. It's hard to find in the store. A lot of these flavors that I'm talking about, except for like the mint and like the blueberry mint, you probably find those in the stores. But if you're trying to get those mixes and the Blue Surfer and the Irish Cream, Irish Kiss, you're gonna probably have to go online for those. But if you're looking for something that's kind of like just on a sweeter side, and just remember, helps you kind of have that, I don't know, give that feel of candy. If you like candy, creamy kind of deal, Blue Surfer is what you're gonna want to have. All right, so those tips that I was talking about. Let's talk about coals, all right? So today I have titanium flats, titanium coals by Hookah, right? Now these coals are coconut coals. Now, the importance about coals, and I tell everybody, every coal is not the same. You can see, every coal is not the same. You do want to have a good coal. I don't like Instalights like that. I don't like Instalights. If I do have an Instalight, it's going to be made by Coconut, okay? But for the most part, you want to have a coconut coal, and the coconut coals, you have to cook them on or prepare them on like a stove top, not a flat top, but the one with we call them the eye. I guess that's the term, I don't know. But the one with the spiral on it, or something with a flame that light those on fire. You're not gonna be able to light the coconut coals with a lighter. If you do, you're gonna be there all day. You probably do it with a torch lighter, but like I said, it's just gonna take too long. Just put it on the stove top or a little cooktop or portable cooktop. But yeah, titanium coals are great by Hookah. I love them. I got a whole box of them. And then if you want to get a different brand that's not so expensive, actually, you know what? Titanium is not that expensive now. I think the hype kind of died out around them, but when they first came out, they were a pretty penny. But if you want to get something that you can probably find a little more, a lot better in stores, a little bit cheaper, go with Coconut. You can't go wrong with coconut coals. And if you do like Instalights, if you're traveling with your hookah a lot, or if you don't have that stove top, then you just have a lighter, get Coconut Instalights. I think they have something called Three Kings and all that other good stuff like that. They're okay, but to me they have a gasoline flavor or they have a burnt flavor that I just don't like. Coconut brand does not put that off. I'm not sure if Hookah makes any Instalight coals. If they do, leave a comment below. Let me know, because it's something that I never really looked into. So that'll be great for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a real laid back video. I just wanted to put something up for my hookah people out there. It's a lot of people that's, like I said, they subscribe to this channel because of that hookah video, and I want to keep those videos coming. These good tips for 2020. Once again, check out my glass, the trusted advisor. Oh yeah. Got a little drink in here, having a good time, you know. If you have any comments, any questions about this, you know I reply to all my comments, all my people. I do my best to get back, give you a like, and let you know that I'm a normal person just like you. You know what I'm saying? So, like this video, share with your friends. Oh, and my Instagram page. Go check out my Instagram page. It's the Comment Advisor. At Instagram at the Comment Advisor. I have stuff on there. I'm trying to get my followers up on there too, so that'll help out. I know I'm just rambling now at this point, so you staying alone, you a real one. So yeah, I guess that's it, man, pretty much. So, you know, like always, until next time, you are royalty.